Welcome to the third annual conference of Amrita Bronchology and Interventional Pulmonology. ABIP 2023 is hosted by the Advanced Interventional Pulmonology Unit at Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi, Kerala, India. Join us on September 16th and 17th, 2023 at the luxurious Lulu Bolgatti International Convention Center and Grand Hyatt Kochi for this exciting event. Expert speakers, comprehensive program, hands-on workshops, networking opportunities, live cases, exhibitor showcase.
After a challenging hiatus of 3 years, we are delighted to bring together renowned international and national experts in the field of interventional pulmonology for this year's conference. The theme of ABIP 2023 is the rise and future of interventional pulmonology.
Day 1, September 16th, will feature focused interactive training programs where participants can choose from a range of hands-on experiences in rigid bronchoscopy, cryo and electrosurgery, linear EBUS and EUSB, radial EBUS, navigational bronchoscopy, and more. While you are here, take the opportunity to explore the enchanting city of Kochi with its spice markets, backwaters, and mesmerizing houseboat cruises. On Day 2, September 17th, experience the scope and future of interventional pulmonology. Engage in case-based interactive discussions. Explore the latest advances in the field and witness the launch of new bronchoscopes and IP products.
We welcome all participants to this enriching conference where we celebrate the advancements and future of interventional pulmonology.
Don't miss ABIP 2023, the third annual conference of Amrita Bronchology and Interventional Pulmonology on September 16th and 17th in Kochi, Kerala, India. Register now and be a part of this transformative event.